number of similarities as compared to genus and species. हाँ नहीं, अब क्या होगा, अब देखो प्लीज, अब हम लोग नीचे से ऊपर जा रहे हैं. सो जितनी सिमिलैरिटी मुझे पैंथेरा, लियो, टाइग्रिस और पार्डस में मिलेगी, उतनी सिमिलैरिटी मुझे पैंथेरा और फीलिस में नहीं मिलेगा. प्लीज,
one more time, can you repeat?
वी हैव लियो, पार्डस, टाइग्रिस. इसमें जो सिमिलैरिटी है, वेरी क्लोज सिमिलैरिटी, राइट? इफ आई काउंट द सिमिलैरिटीज अमंग दिस and now I count the similarities between Panthera and Felis, the number of characteristics between Panthera and Felis is going to be less. Similarly, I have moved to Felidae. Now dogs will come under Canidae. So number of characteristics common which is between Panthera and Felis. Now I start comparing between these two. It will still become less. So as I am going up the hierarchy, what will happen to the number of characteristics will come? हाँ, until I reach kingdom animal. सारे animals अभी तो. Common characteristic क्या है? हाँ, सबके सब locomotion है. हाँ, क्या है? Cell wall है. नहीं, अच्छा नहीं. Thank you for remaining awake. Okay. Families are characterized based on both vegetative and reproductive features of plant species. इसको please mark करो. मैंने इसमें भी बहुत परेशान किया लोगों को. Amongst plants, for example, 3 different genera, Solanum, Petunia and Datura, are placed in family Solanaceae. Solanaceae पढ़ा था ना? तो उसमें ornamental आया था Petunia. Okay, so Petunia वहां पर it is a genera. Animals में the genus Panthera, which is having lion, tiger, leopard, is put along with genus Felis in the family Felidae. Okay. Similarly, if you observe features of a cat and dog, you will find some similarities and some differences. So they are put in 2 different families, Felidae and Canidae, respectively. Acha, when you are using animal families, you will find the suffix is common DAE. Right? The suffix is common DAE. When using plant families, you will find the suffix common ACEA. Solanaceae, Brassicaceae, Fabaceae. Right now, all these are having common suffix. Did we have some common suffix in plantae? Chlorophyceae. I know, but right? Did we have Obstida? Did we have Phyta? Halophyta, Bryophyta, Pteridophyta, right now? तो क्या suffix पे से उसकी respective category पता चल सकती है? ठीक है ना? See, this is how a question will be framed up. Again, I told you ये separately कहीं NCERT में लिखा हुआ नहीं है, ये अपने observation पे है. कोई भी ऐसा गंदा नाम देंगे कि आपको कभी सुना भी नहीं होगा, लेकिन end में CEAE दिया है. So that is enough for us to identify that this is a family का name and that to plant family का name. So that is an indicator for our question answer. अपने आंसर का वो hint है. So the idea behind asking a question is whether you know that a plant family ends with a common suffix. That is the basis of asking the question. Next is order. Order being a higher category is assembly of families which exhibit a few similar characteristics. So what will that be now? Still more or less. Plant families like Convolvulaceae, Solanaceae, देखो suffix common आ रहा है. They are included in the order called as Polymoniales based on floral characteristics. Now order में please make a point note ALES. The polynomials. ALES. ठीक है? The animal order Carnivora includes families like Felidae and Canidae. Do we have Felidae, Canidae here at family level? So family के ऊपर क्या आएगा? Order. So both these are under a common order called as Carnivora. Now if you remember our discussion, last part का discussion in Animalia, जो दो टेबल दिए थे, वो सेकेंड टेबल was classification of Manophagus. पहला टेबल जो था वो मैमेलिया क्लासिफिकेशन था। उसमें एकदम नीचे वाले पार्ट में मैंने ऑर्डर के नाम दिए थे 6 into 2 groups, a group of 4 and a group of 2. I told you a group of 4 important नहीं, group of 2 important है। There were 2 orders written there, Carnivora and Primata. I told you they will come in chapter number 1. So Carnivora is a order. Order में यानी प्लांट के एनिमल के ऑर्डर में there is no common suffix. ऑर्डर के ऊपर क्या आ गया? क्लास. This category includes which are related orders now. Order Primata. Order Primata comprising of monkey, gorilla, gibbon. Right? If you remember, वहां पे primates के साथ में हमने primates and non-primates discuss किया था. Are placed in class Mammalia along with order Carnivora. I think both these orders are coming discussion here. Both, huh? So mammals के अंदर कितने orders आने चाहिए? कम से कम 2. कौन से orders? Carnivora and Primata. Carnivora includes animals like tiger, cat, dog, all come under carnivores. So cat देखो वो felis है, dog जो है वो canis है, tiger जो है वो panthera है. तो ये अलग अलग है लेकिन सब किसके अंडर आ गए? Carnivora में आ गए. Class Mammalia has other orders also. See the reason why I mentioned all the 6 orders there. याद कितने रखने अपने को? 2. Right? Total 6 order है. That is what is explained by class Mammalia has other orders also. So if you're getting a statement in the exam, class Mammalia includes orders like Primata and Carnivora only. Though you are not supposed to remember which are the other orders, you are supposed to know that okay, इसके अलावा भी orders है. मैं बार-बार बोलता हूँ कि बहुत ही रीडिंग बेस्ड चैप्टर है, बहुत ही रीडिंग बेस्ड, आपको बहुत पढ़ना पड़ेगा इसको. And obviously next is phylum and kingdom, which are higher categories. The taxonomic categories from species to kingdom have been shown in ascending order. The diagram is NCERT based. Can you see the direction? It is ascending order. Now these 7 categories shown in the diagram are broad categories. Broad but obligatory categories. Taxonomists have developed subcategories in this hierarchy. Have we studied any subcategories? Yes. Under phylum we have done subphylum. And under class we have done subclass. Superclass किया है हमने. Division किया है हमने. Right ना? मैंने बताया था 2 क्लास के बीच में जो भी आएगा वो क्या हो जाएगा? सब कैटेगरी. ठीक है? So क्या जैसे हर एक कैटेगरी का सब कैटेगरी है? Does phylum have a subcategory? Yes. Family को सब कैटेगरी? Yes. Every category has a subcategory. So will species have a subcategory? Yes. So what will breed become? Subcategory for species. What will race become? Subcategory for species. What will variety become? Subcategory for species. What will strain become? Subcategory for species. Get it now? Strains of bacteria. Varieties of mango. Variation, varieties बोलते हैं. Variety is the term used for.
तो कैसे कर रहे हो ये मतलब?
हाँ?
कैसे कर रहे हो ये?
कुछ नहीं. कैसे करना मतलब?
मतलब ट्रेन को मतलब वैरायटी.
हाँ, इसलिए ना. जब बायोटेक पढ़ेंगे ना और हम लोग बायोडाइवर्सिटी पढ़ेंगे उसको कनेक्ट करके मैं बताऊं, ठीक है। एक पॉइंट है जहां पर एक जगह उन्होंने मेंशन किया है कि राइस के 50,000 वैरायटीज है और बायोटेक में मेंशन किया है 2 लाख। तो we will have to just match and get them according to this discussion. Okay, we will come to that point at an appropriate time. Don't worry about that. Okay. So this is an ascending hierarchy given. As we go higher from species to kingdom, the number of common characteristics go on decreasing. Right? बोल के दे रहा हूं, ये स्टेटमेंट डालूंगा मैं एग्जाम में। हाँ, डालूंगा एग्जाम में। राइट, और वो भी बोल रहा हूं कैसे डालूंगा मैं। राइट, ये स्पीशीज किंगडम को उल्टा कर दूंगा और उसको डिक्रीजिंग में रखूंगा। राइट, इसको सीधा रहने दूंगा, उसको इंक्रीजिंग कर दूंगा। राइट, तो आप देखो क्या करना है आपको फिर। राइट, yes, the examiner would like to test you how you have read the chapter, please. All in all, your idea and concept behind this entire statement has to be clear. नीचे से ऊपर जा रहे हैं, the characters will go on decreasing. Bottom line, खत्म. Small table given towards the end of the discussion. It is a NCERT table. 4 examples have been given, 2 of plants, 2 on animals. Sorry. Animals where there is man and housefly. Read it from the opposite end, please. Man belongs to phylum Chordata, class Mammalia, order Primata, family Hominidae, genus species is Homo sapiens. Housefly is phylum Arthropoda, insect है ना? Class Insecta, order Diptera, family Mucidae. Can you see the suffix common between Hominidae and Mucidae? DAE उसका suffix common है. Genus Musca and the species is Domestica. Housefly है ना? वैसे house cat is called as Felis domestica. Mango and wheat, both division wise is angiosperm, but class में one is dicot, one is monocot. Order में mango belongs to order Sapindales. Can you see ALES? And wheat belongs to Poales. Again ALES. आ गया समझ में सफिक्स वाला पार्ट सबको? हाँ? तो क्या सफिक्स के बेसिस पे क्वेश्चन हम लोग पूछ सकते? पूछ सकते। समझा ना? तो now, if I ask you, and I will put this option, so and so belongs to Halobiales. So it is in which kingdom? Plant kingdom. ये 2 चीज आ गया तो आपको आंसर मिल जाएगा कि एक तो ऑर्डर है ये और दूसरा ये प्लांट के क्लासिफिकेशन ऑर्डर। फैमिली एनाकार्डियेसी पोएसी, अगेन कॉमन है सफिक्स CEAE CEAE अगेन, ठीक है। जीनस मैंगिफेरा इंडिका, हियर इट इज ट्राइटिकम एस्टिम, अपने पहले लिस्ट में आया था ये ट्राइटिकम एस्टिम। All the more important because the additional families that we are going to do, one family among them is Poaceae. Poaceae, right? Now here, make a mention that the alternative name for Poaceae is Graminae. ये पुराना नाम है, पुराना वाला नाम Graminae, GRAMINAE, Graminae.
Mentioned mangoes and diamonds, so they can take this thing from here as morphological question आ जाएगा. Group का question
मैंगो के लीफ का वेरिएशन क्या है? रेटिकुलेट, ये डाइकोट है। Okay. So unit number 1 is over.